Hello everyone, for sure if you are watching this video it is because you have a Fusee pocket watch and want to know how to wind it and set the time without damaging it. Well, in this video I will try to help and I will explain how you should do it. It is a simple process. To start you need a key. Notice that it has a square-shaped hole, so you must choose one that fits the Fusee arbor because that is where you will wind the chain connected to the mainspring barrel. Insert the key into the case hole where the Fusee arbor is located. Carefully turn it counterclockwise until you notice the mechanism completely locks. The watch features a safety stop-work mechanism to prevent the chain from snapping due to excessive force. Personally, I do not like winding the chain all the way to the limit. I always avoid it. Now let us move on to setting the time, which is much simpler. Open the front cover of the watch and, at the center where the hands are attached, you will notice the cannon pinion. Place the key right there, as normally the same key works for both tasks. Once it is secure, turn the key clockwise until you reach the desired time. As you can see with the movement already exposed, the process is the same, but I am going to remove the dust cover so you can see how the Fusee and the chain move. As you can see with the movement exposed, the chain wraps around the cone-shaped Fusee as you wind the watch, transferring power smoothly from the mainspring barrel. Thanks so much for sticking around until the end. I really hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give a like and help the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new upload.